Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to review probability. And if you remember, probability is event divided by outcome, or event over outcome. If you're looking at the head of the questions, you see a P in parentheses. That stands for probability. So today we're going to review a probability with a spinner. So the spinner is the white arrow, and if I would spin it, how would it randomly end up on any of the triangles? So question 1 says, what's the probability of a 6? The 6 is the event. So there is one 6 on the spinner, and the outcomes are all the possibilities. So I would see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outcomes. So probability of getting a 6 would be 1 over 8. Or if you're writing it as a ratio, 1 to 8. Number 2 asks us to find the probability of an even number. So the outcomes are 8, and even numbers, there is an 8, 2, 4, and 6. So 4 out of 8 are even, and you would reduce that like a normal fraction, and you would get 1 to 2, or as a ratio, 1 to 2. We can also use colors with the spinner. There is 1 yellow out of 8 possible colors. So the probability would be 1 to 8 again, or 1 to 8. And question 4 says, what's the probability of ending on something that is not blue? So I see there is 1 blue, so 7 would be not. So the probability would be 7 to 8, or 7 to 8 in ratio form. So again, this is a probability review with a spinner, and this one could use numbers or colors. Thanks and have a great day.